Hello there! In this video, I'm going to show you the login process of Capital One credit card. In order to learn the process, watch the video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button for more updates. Capital One is a bank holding company that specializes in credit cards, auto loans, banking and savings accounts with operations primarily in the United States. To log into Capital One credit cards, go to your web browser first and search for www.capitalone.com and enter. Soon after that, you'll end up in the official website of Capital One. You can see the sign-in form. You'll be asked to enter your username and password. Enter the username over here and password, and after it is done, on the sign-in button, click on it. In case you forgot your password, click on Forgot Password and follow the steps and guidance. After you click the sign-in button, you'll be logged in with these quick and simple steps. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Press the bell icon so that you'll get instant notifications as soon as a new video has been posted. I'll be back soon with more tutorials like this.